Okay, so I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet, which is a video conferencing app provided to you by Google. It is free with any Gmail account. You can get there by going to meet.google.com. If you're on a phone or an iPad, Meet Hangout might be what you're looking for, but you'd have to download the app before you can use it. But from a laptop or a Chromebook, or a desktop computer, you can just go to the website. So I'm going to hit enter here. Now, this program is best, I think, if you have a microphone and a camera, but if not, you can manage to do that just with chat. I'm at a place with a spotty connection, so we're going to have to bear with me here just a little bit. Okay, try it one more time. Okay, here we got it bought up. So when you first bring it up, it's going to ask you if you're logged into a Chrome browser or into a Chromebook. It'll ask you if you want to start a new meeting. But for most of you, you'll be just joining a meeting. Use a meeting code. So I'm going to click on that. I have a meeting started on a different device, and I'm going to type in the code that I was already given for that. Give me just 1 second to pull it up here. It is DAB SEPY ZFR. Now the code will be different every single time you have a new meet, so don't worry about writing this one down. When you click to join, it will show you a few things. One thing you'll see is that it'll ask you if you're okay with it having your camera on and your microphone on. If you haven't done this before, it'll ask you for your permission. Just click that's okay. Also, you'll get to see who else is in the meeting, and I'll show you a couple other features as well. Give this guy just a second. Usually block my location. So camera starting up, and my microphone will be on there. Now I'm going to hit join meeting. Down here, just like Skype, you have hang up, muting your camera, or muting your microphone, muting your camera. Over here, you see a list of people who are on there. This is where you could have a chat feature. So if somebody else is presenting and you want to have a conversation on the side, you can do that without interrupting. Just keep in mind that you are presenting to the group whenever you do type in that chat. So that is there. Again, you can see the people who are in here. The person talking will usually have the camera. So if somebody else were to be talking, the camera would be active on them. Here you see my, I think I just got somebody else logging in on the chat. Let's take a look. Yep, okay, that's Gracie who's driving my other account from another computer. And so we can have this conversation over here. She doesn't have a camera on the computer she's using, so that's why you only see her icon and not her face. So one cool thing that'll help people work together is if they would like to show some of their work that they're working on together, they can do that. Let's see. So I'm going to minimize here, and in a separate window, I have up the browser. So this browser can be shared with everybody else. Let me go back over here and maximize this. I can share all my work with everybody else if, see if I can close this little window here. At the bottom, it says present now. When I present now, I can present the work that I have on my screen and everybody would see my screen. And it says your entire screen. That's right, as opposed to just a window. So I'm going to show just a window, because if I show my entire screen, it's going to show my picture, showing a picture of me, showing a picture of me, and we'll have that terrible Hall of Mirrors look. Okay, so here, now everybody will soon be able to see my browser window here. The good thing about that is if I'm showing a document that we're working on, say in Google Drive, then we can all be working on that document at the same time while looking at it. I think this is a pretty cool app. If you have any questions, just let me know. As of right now, I'm going to stop my sharing, and I hope you have a great day.